So we made it to the Self-Realization Fellowship Lakeshrine, which is in Malibu, California. Beautiful bougainvillea. There's a Norfolk pine, and here's the gate. It's got wisteria growing on it, which is blooming. This is a really ritzy part of California, and everybody's got BMWs, Lexuses, Infinitis, Volvos, fancy cars. This is Richland. Oh, it's so pretty here. There's a sycamore tree. I love sycamore trees. It's springtime here and the red buds are blooming on the hillsides. And let's see, what else is blooming? Well, the wisteria, lots of things are blooming. Those are really pretty. Little flowers there. They're fuzzy. Fuzzy red things. Huh. And there's Roberta. We're going to go meditate in the Lakeshrine. Right, Roberta?
Right.
Uh-huh.
And initiated him into Kriya Yoga.
Oh, wow.
It's in the autobiography. So, I don't know how he was gifted with the ashes, but he opened this in, as it says, in 1950, just 2 years before he passed.
Oh.
Dedicated the Lakeshrine there.
Oh, thank goodness, huh? It's a beautiful place.
It's such a boon. It's such a balm to the spirit to come here.
Yeah. It's interesting they have kind of oriental statues.
The sarcophagus is oriental as well as, I don't know if they're Kuan Yin or who.
Yeah.
These lovely Asian statues represent.
Bet they're Kuan Yin. She gets around that Kuan Yin.
This whole garden is dedicated to all religions. And you'll see when we get across to the other side that there's a little sculpture for each major world religion. And as we keep our eyes open, the Chinese are here, and around the corner is Krishna playing his flute.
All right.
And up on the waterfall, which we haven't seen yet, is Jesus.
Oh my!
At the head of that waterfall that we can kind of.
Oh yeah, I see the top of it over there.
Peeking over there.
Huh. There's some tropical plants. Those look really tropical.
Yes, they do.
How lovely. That's a nice framed picture right there with the boat in there.
It is. Oh, it's wonderful to see things with your artist's eye. Thank you.
Yeah.
This is Roberta. This is Krishna calling the devotee with his flute of divine music.
They're very beautiful.
Calling everyone that's from the Gita, a quote from the Bhagavad Gita. He perceives me everywhere and beholds everything in me. Never loses sight of me, nor do I ever lose sight of him. That's lovely.
Oh, what a nice little spot. The waterfall, and it goes right into the lake. There's the path we're on, heading down the road. We're going to go all the way around the lake, right? There's paper bark trees. We have those in Hawaii all over the place.
Seems to be melting.
They do that all the time. They're great for making different art projects. I know, isn't it? It's a really cool thing, paper bark. Lots of different layers and textures. It's a wonderful plant, although it's pretty invasive in Hawaii.
It's so soft. You could just sleep on it.
Yeah, you probably could.